When the highest water quality is required, membrane filtration systems are most commonly used. Three common types of membrane filtration are microfiltration, ultrafiltration, and reverse osmosis. Alphaplan specializes in these membrane-based filters and has developed innovative manufacturing technologies and equipment to produce them. We accompany our customers from small pilot lines to complex assembly lines. We plan and supply reliable, easy-to-maintain automation systems for the production of your water filters. Integration of machines into existing overall systems. Consideration of your special needs by our engineers and delivery of suitable automation solutions.